Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In 1 minute, one question answer series. Our today's question is, what is the UNS number of SA 516 grade 70? So basically UNS number is unified numbering system. It is given to steels. And the correct answer is option 3 K02700. In UNS number, a number is given in the first one is a digit letter, sorry, first one is a letter followed by 5 digits. So here you can see the first one is K, that is a letter, and followed by 02700. This is 5 digits. So this is how UNS number is given, and you can find UNS number of any steel in table QWQB 422 of ASME section 9. So in SME section 9 it is given in table QWQB 422, and for SA 516 grade 70 it is K02700. Friends, my humble request once again to you is to please join my channel as soon as possible. And we have come to an end of our today's video. Please give your valuable feedback and suggestions. Thank you very much.